case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1966, the Florida District Court of Appeal heard the case of Arko Enterprises, Inc. v. Wood, which centered on the concept of equitable conversion in a real estate purchase and sale contract. The case was brought by John T. Wood, E. L. Coleman, and E. T. Jackson against Arko Enterprises, Inc., after the land in question was taken via eminent domain by the Housing Authority of the City of Cocoa before Arko had fulfilled its obligations under the contract. Equitable conversion is the idea that when a purchaser signs a real estate contract, they become the owner of the property, even though the vendor still holds the legal title. In this case, the court had to determine if eminent domain constituted a loss that made the purchaser liable, or if it was a fortuitous circumstance that terminated the contract. The lower court had granted a partial summary final decree in favor of the plaintiffs, which Arko Enterprises appealed. The appeals court examined whether the eminent domain taking of the property before the contract's conveyance date made the purchaser liable for the loss, or if it was a fortuitous circumstance that nullified the contract. The court held that the purchaser, Jackson, was entitled to compensation for his equitable interest in the land, as the award stemming from the eminent domain taking became the subject of the conveyance between the vendor and vendee. Consequently, Jackson was required to pay the full purchase price, but Arko held a lien on the property sale price. According to the appeals court, the condemnation proceedings did not invalidate the contract. Instead, the executory contract assigned the award to the purchaser, Jackson, who was entitled to compensation. The court reversed the lower court's final decree and called for further proceedings, outlining various deductions and set-offs to be made from the total contract price, including improvement costs and expenses incurred by Arko.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind, leave the stress of climb.